Hey there, crafty kids! Welcome back to Yippee Crafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee, and today we're going to make a Pom Pom bunny. So come on, let's see what we need to get started. Okay guys, what we need today is a big pom pom. It doesn't have to be yellow, it can be orange. We need some googly eyes. Now, if you don't have any googly eyes, don't worry, you can also use tiny pieces of paper that you can colour in black to stick on. Some coloured paper for the ears, then a different coloured piece of paper for the inside of the ears. A scissors to cut the ears out, and a pen or a pencil, some PVA glue and a paintbrush. I also like to have a little bowl to put my PVA glue into. So first we want to pop some PVA glue onto our paintbrush and put it on the first googly eye. Put as much as you can on and press the eye onto the large pom-pom. You can wipe off any excess glue if you need, but it's okay because the PVA glue will dry as clear anyway. So stick that right on there and do the next googly eye. Grab your pencil or pen and draw the outline of the bunny ears on our coloured piece of foam or paper. Then grab your scissors and cut around the outline. You don't have to cut perfectly on the line, that's okay. Now we have our yellow ears cut out. Pop some glue on either side of the bottom of the ears. Then simply squish the ears right into the pom-pom. Pom-poms are great because they're so sturdy for holding this foam. Now the PVA glue will work its magic and dry the ears onto the pom-pom. Now grab your other coloured piece of paper and draw a smaller version of the bunny ears because these are going to go on the inside of the bunny ears. Whoa, this piece of paper I have is really wobbly to draw on. And cut those tiny bunny ears out. Put some PVA glue on the back of our coloured piece of paper and very gently push them onto the bunny ears in the centre. And there we have a little Pom Pom bunny. Aw, it's so cute! We can also try a different type of pom-pom creature. How about an orange pom-pom? Stick on some PVA glue onto the googly eyes. And how about a little hat for this pom-pom creature? Stick some PVA glue on and pop it on his head. This pom-pom is very funny. Hey, how did you get on with your pom-pom? So guys, that's the end of today's episode, but thank you so much for joining, and I hope your pom-pom creatures turned out just as cute as this little one. Don't worry, we'll have more exciting projects in our next episode. And just remember, keep crafting, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye! And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippee Crafts below.